Palawa Samoa, no matua fio mai ni kako fish market i Apia. Ia, e mako pakai kako ko ia. Le lei pele ai e pai sa o ar kako review o. So we're over here gonna get the fish and chips, and like my other brother said, we're gonna see if it's ask for good or ask for no good. So stay tuned and let's go. Alright guys, here we go. So ready the fish and chips. Say mako sin me Paolo. Mga fire road mako review. Check. La fire good review there, the fish and chips or the fish market. Ooh. What's that Tongan guy's name? Who does that? Yeah. Look at that. Fish. Where are they? These guys said fish in the mayonnaise. I'll call it by my say dump the fish in the mayonnaise. They don't like that. Fish mayonnaise dump in the mouth. Oh, yeah. Totally. Chat. It's like I'm having an orgasm in my mouth on a fish. Chat. It's like the fish is coming in my mouth. That's how good it is. Like white. Almost make me sound like a sofanua. Chat. Sick. You are the fish of the beauty, man. Don't tell me it's out by the fish. Sick. Damn. Chat. Fish here in Apia. Oh my. Check. Let's go. Cheese.